G'day, here's a pre-formed piece of Boulder Opal for a pendant, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. This is from Winton area. The white you're just seeing there's a reflection of the lights. Nice hard material, so it should polish up well. Got a bit of fire in this part of the piece. The rest is mostly potch, picture stone. Fine veins of opal there on the side. Like I said, it's fairly close to just finishing off. Face needs to be polished and it is undulating. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.